Are you applying for your UK student visa? Let me give you a step-by-step guide with FK Global Educational Ventures. After receiving your confirmation of acceptance for studies, which we will refer to as CAS from your UK university, the next step is to apply for a UK student visa, formerly known as Tier 4. This visa allows international students to live and study in the UK. Now, here is a step-by-step student visa application process. Step 1. Gathering of all required documents. Before applying, ensure you have the following. FK Global offers their support by reviewing each document, ensure they are in compliance with UKVI rules, and also help you obtain missing items. We also explain exactly how your bank statement will be formatted, that is, the duration, currency, and account holder. Step 2. Paying visa fees and IHS, which stands for Immigration Health Surcharge. Student visa fee is £490. IHS fee is £776 per year for your course. And these fees are paid online during your application. We don't only support or help you by telling the amount, we also guide you through the process of payment and making sure you have valid receipts and confirmation numbers. And these receipts and confirmation numbers must be submitted with your visa. Step 3. Completing your visa application. Now, you will need to apply through the UK government website, and you'll also need to create an account, fill in personal, academic and CAS details, pay visa fees and IHS, and also choose your visa appointment location. Now, at FK Global, we will help support you in filling the form with you, double check for mistakes, and ensure your course details match CAS. We ensure your dates, names and font amounts are entered correctly. Step 4. Book a biometric appointment. After submitting your application, you will be sent to a visa application center to book a biometric appointment. At the biometric appointment, you will provide fingerprints and a digital photograph. You will also need to submit supporting documents or upload them online, and also hand in your passport for visa stamping. Now, FK Global is going to support you by looking for the nearest VAC center, book your appointment, and also prepare a checklist for what you're to bring so you don't forget any. Number 5. Uploading supporting documents. You must upload scanned versions of your passport, CAS letter, financial documents, academic certificates, TB test results if applicable, and some VAC offers in-person document scanning. At FK Global, we will help you scan these documents properly, help you to upload them, and also review all uploads before submission to avoid rejections. Step 6. Attend your appointment. On your appointment date, arrive early with all of your original documents. Submit fingerprints, photo and documents if not yet uploaded. And don't forget to leave your passport for visa stamping. At FK Global, we always prepare you in advance. Step 7. Wait for a decision. Visa decisions usually take 15 working days or 5 to 7 working days priority services. And you'll be notified by email if any decision is made. At FK Global, we will help support by tracking your application, contacting VAC in case any delay occurs, and we will also provide advice if any additional information is needed. Step 8. Receive your visa. Once approved, you will need a vignette sticker, that is a temporary visa on your passport. You must make sure you enter the UK within 30 days of your course start date. Your BRP, that is your biometric residence permit, has now been replaced by an e-visa. This is why FK Global Educational Ventures is needed for a smooth visa application. Let FK Global Ventures Make your UK student visa application process very easy and stress-free, which will in turn minimize errors and maximize your chance for success. Make sure you contact FK Global Ventures today to schedule your visa support session and start your journey to the UK with confidence.
Before you go, follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram for real stories, helpful tips, and content made for you.